That is Kinabalu Peak. 1 kilometer away. And this is what it looks like. Yes, my buddy Esme. We're crawling up this hill, this mountain. And jeez, this stuff. But we got a little bit ways to go. Right, up there, and then cross over along the peak ridge, and that's the goal. That's where we need to be. This is killing me. I'm gonna get there. See you soon.